I'm doing Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations every day. This is day 14 and 15, and I want to answer this question because I've been getting a lot of comments similar to this one, and I get it. It can be really difficult to get into his guidance and his voice, but if you're a beginner, I would say stop and drop everything and just buy his morning and evening meditations. Seriously, just invest in this one bundle. It's like $20 and it's so worth it. Don't listen to his meditations on YouTube if you're a beginner, especially because I'm doing his course and I see some of those meditations that are inside my course, but you don't even get to listen to it until like 5 or 6 modules, which means that there's a lot of information that you need to know before you even do one of his long meditations. And I'm not saying that you cannot do it. If it resonates, I'm glad. But if you're overwhelmed, just start with his morning meditations because he's more calm in that one and he doesn't scream at you. And you also learn how to sense space. He talks about that a lot. And I understand that some people do not resonate with Dr. Joe, and that's okay. But if you do and you just find it hard to sit in meditation, trust me, just push through. Like Dr. Joe says, you have to be in control of your body. Don't let your body become the mind. Don't give in or don't give up just because your body doesn't feel like sitting in meditation. You have to be strict and you have to be consistent. That's my best tip. All right? Follow for more, and I'll see you tomorrow.